Magic 89.9.
That's right. This is Magic 89.9. Welcome to the Magic Hangout. This is JJ. And with me are a bunch of people. Yes, of course, from Viva. And they are wonderful. You know what? I'm turning on their mics and it is time to say hello. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Oh, diba? In unison pa.
Hello.
Okay. We got Kurt, Ashley, Love, and Martin here in the booth. How are you guys? Paano kayo nakarating dito?
Ako po, ako.
Lumipad.
Nag-in-drive ako.
Uy,
May
TNBS. Di, sige, okay lang. Baka naman baka maano tayo.
Hello.
Sige. Sumakay siya ng
Car.
yun. Oo, car.
Car ako.
Ikaw naman.
Ako, I drove, PSA sa lahat ng dumadaan ng Makati. Please po, wag po tayo mabagal. Nagta-traffic po tayo. Pero ayun, unawan ako ng Makati. Sobrang traffic sa Makati. Surprisingly maluwag sa EDSA today.
Really?
Yes!
Really?
Okay.
Oo.
Kaya pala, maluwag sa
Hindi ko alam kung saan EDSA dumaan si Martin.
Yeah, for context, Martin was clutch, no?
North
Hindi naman siya late. Sadyang mga 9 minutes lang before mag-start. Ikaw, Love?
Ako po, same kay Kurt. Same kami ng...
Sinakyan?
Sinakyan. Same kami ng sinakyan. And
Pero pasahero ka naman, hindi ka yung
yes,
driver.
pasahero naman. Hindi naman ako driver doon.
Okay. Hindi ka, Martin. Kasi
same lang din.
marami sa EDSA, maraming kotse.
Daming kotse. Kaya nagulat ako, maluwag sa EDSA ngayon.
Uy, maluwag.
Hindi.
Saan EDSA ka ba dumaan?
Baka nasa nanonood ba kay Stranger Things? Ano yun? Yung
Upside down.
Upside down ng EDSA, yung
Yes.
version mo.
Oo, baka
Or
nga.
baka nasa abyss ka.
Huh?
Hotdog.
Sige, Kurt.
No, I haven't watched the newest season, but basta yun, okay. Well, anyways, hello to everyone. We are on air. Call and don't call us up. But if you have any messages you want to send to these guys, you can head on over to Viber. That is 0945-971-4011. Send your shout outs and questions if you have any for them. Let's do this fast facts for you guys. I am a man who loves his food. I love going on food trips. I saw you guys earlier. You were eating street food. May kwek-kwek ako nakita.
Ay,
Iba yung kwek-kwek dito lang.
Yes.
Oo,
sa
di ko-
hallway.
Masarap ba? Hindi ko pa na-try.
Hindi nga.
Grabe naman to.
Yes lang.
Ayos lang, saks lang. Okay. So, I want to know, you guys, ano yung mga comfort foods ninyo? Let's start with Martin. Parang hindi ka pa kumakain eh.
Hindi pa nga talaga.
Hindi pa talaga. Sige, lilibre ka daw ni Ashley.
Sige. Sige, paldo yan ngayon eh. Dami project yan ngayon.
Uy,
Oh, di ba?
Ano lang?
Uy.
Comfort food?
Oo.
Siguro fried chicken. Yun lang.
Walang brand.
Walang brand. Fried chicken.
Masarap. Sige, ikaw, Love.
Ako instant noodles.
Seryoso?
Parang guilty pleasure ko siya na
Ano to, with soup or pancit canton na?
anything, yung parang dry. I like yung dry. I like yung mga parang may soup na type.
Yeah.
Yun yung mga gusto kong kinakain pag tinatamad na ako magluto.
Gets.
Ganon.
Kahit nakaka-guilty.
Yes.
Okay, noodles all the way. How about you, Ashley?
Ako, turon na walang langka.
Huh?
Yeah. Masarap yung turon na walang langka. Mas masarap siya.
Turon mo ba kanina?
Yung
may
wrap lang daw.
Wala.
Okay, akala ko yung pambalot lang din eh. Pambalot lang. May saging naman.
Turo na walang saging.
At sugar.
Oo.
At wrapper.
Ayun, turon.
Nawalan lang ka. Makagutom. Sige, ikaw naman, Kurt.
Ice cream, tsaka bulldog po.
Ay, nagsama naman.
Hoy, lo!
Di ba ano yun?
Bawal.
Hindi, okay lang. Wala na tayong magagawa. Buldak. Ano yun?
Yung
Parang noodles
spicy.
po na spicy.
Yung
Yung ginagamit nila dati sa spicy.
Samyang challenge, ganyan. O, di ba ako rin nagsabi ng ano? Oo, yun.
Yan.
Yes.
So, you like it hot and spicy, ganyan?
Yes po.
Ay, hot and spicy. Ay, cool and spicy pala. Kasi ice cream sabi mo eh.
Ice cream din. Pag sad ako, nag-ice cream po ako.
Sad ko ba ngayon?
Hindi po. Hindi naman.
Oo, parang ang saya mo nga tignan eh. Nakakatuwa.
Thank you po.
You know?
Bakit ganun?
Pogi ni Kurt to.
Oh, so you guys, the fans, you know their comfort foods. Send them the foods para mabusog kami dito sa Magic Booth. Yung address namin is Paragon Plaza. Search nyo na lang, pin it. And then send us some food. Okay, I am a cinephile. And ang cinephile daw ay yung mga addicts sa film. Sa film lang, hindi addict sa kung ano-ano. Cinephile ka ba?
Wow. Opo. Lagi po kasi pagpahinga po, yun po yung ginagawa ko. Nanonood lang ako movie, series.
Okay. Kaya may sa Stranger Things.
Yes, natapos ko nga po agad.
Isang araw lang.
I mean, kasi po last year ko po, every year natatapos, ganyan. Tapos ngayong taon ko po natapos yung season.
Okay, ang galing. Ang sipag mo. Okay.
Opo.
Movie genres, I wanna know you guys if you had, hindi naman an opportunity to play into one of these genres, pero ano lang yung favorite nyo? Is it rom-com or thriller? Let's start with Love.
Ako po talaga rom-com talaga.
What's your
Mahilig talaga ako mag-ano ng mga rom-com.
Anong favorite rom-com mo?
Siguro yung Filipino, Diary ng Pangit.
Okay, gets. Okay.
Diba? Parang ilang beses ko pinanood yun
Jadine.
Jadine.
Sorry,
yeah.
intrusive thoughts. Di ba, syempre kilala nyo Jadine.
Yes.
May bagong movie daw sila Nadine and Alden, di ba? So they're a new love team. Oo, Siargao daw. Set in Siargao. So I wanna ask you guys, what do you think their ship names would be? Is it Aldin or Naden?
Gusto ko yun na din.
Gusto nyo na Naden? Team Naden kayo?
Team na din kami.
Okay. So yun lang. Sobrang intrusive to. Okay,
We have a winner.
Diary ng Pangit. Okay, I love that. Ikaw, Martin?
Horror ako eh.
Wala sa choice. Sige, pwede naman.
Horror yung trip ko eh.
Anong favorite mo horror?
Alam mo yung kay Pennywise, yung It?
It, yes. I've watched It Chapter 2, pati yung It Welcome to Derry.
Yung series.
Natapos ko siya lahat. If you guys
Maganda
are,
yung series. Maganda yung
Maganda.
series.
first episode,
Agawan mo
yes.
ako.
Hindi pa niya napanood.
Ay, maganda yun.
Hindi kasi fan siya ng Stranger Things. No? Yun yung gusto niyang 80s. Yung It kasi, yun yung mas gusto naming 80s.
Ganda ng matog doon.
May away dito. Okay, sige. It, good choice. How about you, Ashley?
Since inagaw na ni Martin yung It.
Sorry.
Yung maganda yung latest ko na napanood na thriller. It's I Know What You Did Last Summer on Netflix. Ano siya? Sino yung artista doon?
Parang Miss
Yung nasa
Trailer.
Outer Banks.
Sadie.
Hindi.
I don't know.
Basta yung magandang babae sa Outer Banks.
Di niya alam. Di niya alam.
Fake fan ka
Madeline-
daw.
Sabi, hindi mo
Madeline
pinanood.
Klein.
Fake fan.
Madeline Klein. Madeline Klein. Ayun, ang galing niya doon.
I was thinking, Summer, alam ko yan. Iba yung naalala kong Summer. It was a rom-com naman. The Summer I Turned Pretty.
Pretty.
Oo,
Ay.
yun yung naalala ko.
Wow.
Hindi ko rin alam bakit. So, ayun. Ikaw, Stranger Things.
Ano po, thriller, horror. Favorite ko yung The Housemaid.
Yung bagong ano lang?
Ang
Is
ganda niya eh.
it, without spoiling anything, is it really living up to the hype?
Yes, kasi yung trailer niya, hindi, may twist siya. Pag pinanood mo, akala mo ganun yung palabas, pero hindi, iba pala.
Hindi pala siya housemate.
Hindi, yung akala mong kalaban, hindi yun.
Okay na. Wala na. Okay, so ayan, pina-plug na niya. Okay. I love it. I like yung mga choices niyo. I've watched some of them and they sound really nice. I'm looking forward to The Housemaid then. I've seen great reviews about it. Let's do what ifs this time. And this one is fun. Last time we did like end of the world, sinong gusto mong makasama mo para mabuhay kayo sa zombie apocalypse, etc. This one is more realistic. Set in our world, what if you won the 397 million pesos Lotto grand prize? Wow, extra bonanza, fully paid expense trip to Japan, etc., etc. What would you do with the money? And we talked about, I briefed them about this before, so I'm guessing they have answers to it. You guys could do anything, like legal man or illegal. Sige Martin.
Bakit ako?
Feeling ko kasi may inisip kong masama.
Hindi, syempre, pambibili kayo ng dream car ko. Yun talaga yung nasa isip ko kanina pa.
Okay.
Yun lang. Yun lang
Sige.
naman.
Sige,
Tapos,
dream car.
syempre, invest sa business. Hinatitira. Oo naman.
At least hindi ka irresponsible spending.
Yeah.
Iba kasi
Wow.
397 million, bili agad bahay, mansyon,
Hindi
lahat ng
naman.
sports car sa buong mundo.
Siguro isang sports car tapos invest na sa business. Hinatitira doon.
Okay.
Di ba ang dami mo ng sports car?
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
Lakas naman.
Grabe.
Hindi.
Ilan ba yung garahe mo?
Five lang.
Ayun lang. Hindi, wala akong sports car. Wala. Wala akong
Ano ba yung ginamit mo papunta dito? Yung ano mo?
Sports car.
Lambo.
in-drive.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Sponsored by?
in-drive.
Sige, ikaw, love.
Ako siguro travel. Travel ako. Gusto ko
Travel.
magpunta sa iba't ibang bansa.
Okay.
Talaga?
Yun lang gagawin
Anong
mo. Like,
bansa? Anong
travel
bansa?
ka lang and that's where you're just gonna spend your money.
Siguro Parang ang feeding, pero charity siguro. Parang ang feeling.
Sabi, naisip ko ngayon, may magbibigay kaya dito sa mga mahirap, ganyan. Okay. Ay, hindi lang mahirap, like mga tao may kapansanan o nangangailangan.
Yes.
Sama ko naman. Sige. Ikaw, Ashley.
Ako, gusto ko maging contractor sa DPWH.
Wag!
Anyway, hindi. Gusto ko bumili ng bahay. Iset ko lang yung sarili ko. And then, kung mag-separate ako ng appropriate amount of money for animal shelters, especially for dogs and cats, yung mga strays. Kasi
Yeah.
sa kanila talaga ako naaawa. But yeah.
So you're a huge advocate for you have pets in your...
I do. I have Frankie and Zola. Alam mo yung si Zola, Shih Tzu siya na husky.
Ha?
Oo.
Wait, so husky siyang pandak? Or husky siyang
Totoo
malaki?
to. Hindi ako fake news. Wait lang.
Shih Tzu palang malaki.
Oo. Teka, hanapin ko
Wait,
yung
I wanna see that tuloy. Sorry.
Ako rin, don't worry.
Totoo.
Ako din po.
Nga.
Gusto mo na.
Very curious kami, ano?
Weird yung itsura niya pero cute siya. Tapos super lambing.
Shih Tzu tsaka Husky?
Oo.
Oo nga, no?
Ayan siya.
Ngayon lang nakita.
Oh,
ng,
Small siya.
Ay, ang cute.
Ayan siya, oh.
Okay, alam,
Very
na-imagine ko kasi pag husky yung ulo niya yung ganun, di ba? Tapos nasa katawan siya ng Shih Tzu. So parang hindi ko ma-imagine. Okay,
Hindi.
mabuhok lang talaga siyang Shih Tzu, no?
Shih Tzu.
Cute siya.
Hala, singkit.
Cute siya. Sabihin yung
Ang
hindi.
cute.
Cute nga.
Pero parang hindi siya Shih Tzu, hindi rin
Very
siya
cute.
husky.
Oo.
Parang iba yung itsura niya.
Unidentified.
Ano siya? Shasky.
Shih Tzu ba?
Shitsky. Wait, parang kapakit pakinggan. Okay. Sige.
Shitsky!
Zola yung name niya.
Si Zola.
Zola as in like yung sa Avengers na...
Zola
never
as in
mind.
Grey's Anatomy. Anak ni
Doon
Meredith
magkakaiba
Grey.
kami ng ano. Okay, so magkakaiba tayo ng pinapanood. Okay, Kurt, how about you? What will you do with 397 million pesos?
All in ko po sa player.
Uy, ano, Kurt? Kurt, ano? Laro tayo, Kurt.
Joke lang po.
All in!
Ano po, ang gagawin ko po, bibigay ko po yung 378 million sa mama ko, tapos yung 1 million sa charity.
Tapos yung may matitira pa, parang may
Mga
18
10,000.
million pa.
18 million?
Oh, meron ka pang 18 million na
akin,
natitira.
bibigay.
Meron pa.
Bibigyan ako ni Kurt.
Sa akin.
Kurt,
Ako kahit
Kurt, love kita, Kurt. Di ba kuya mo ako, sabi mo?
May sports car ka na eh.
Oo nga.
Ano po, i-invest ko po sa business.
Okay, that's nice. Okay.
Yes.
Ang babait naman ng mga to. Sige. Okay, we'll be back right after this
Thank you
song.
po.
This one is trending over on TikTok. Have
Ano
you
po
guys been doing this? Ano nga ulit?
Beep, beep, beep.
Hindi. Ano siya? May dalawang check sign siya. Basta it's a song
Flashlight?
from Cat's Eye.
Oh.
Game Boy.
yeah.
Game Boy.
Oh, yeah, it was Game Boy. But I was supposed to do Game Boy, but I just want this one. This one is called Gnarly here in today's Best Music Bureau. Magic 89.9.
Oo nga, no?
Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9, that was Twice with a song called This Is For, and this is for each and every one of you out there, for all the fans, and for, of course, for you, and you, and you, and you, and
Thank
you.
you po.
You, we have, I just have to mention this, because there's two people right now who are commenting over on twitch.tv/magic899tv saying, Kuya Martin, shout out daw kay Cedric, because he's been a huge fan ever since. And then another one pa dito, Sir Martin naman yung tawag sa'yo. Like, you are, ano?
Ano name nila?
Yung isa is si Cedric
Santelices.
Yes, Santelices.
Oh, tapos,
and then,
isa?
this guy is K. Marty. Sabi niya, shout out from Proud Barangay Bata.
Marty?
Yeah.
Puerta?
I don't know. Basta it's Marty.
Shoutout kay Cedric Santelices. Tol, alam mo, mahal na mahal kita. Magtrabaho ka mabuti. Yun lang yung message ko para sa'yo. At sana magbago na yung ugali mo ngayon taon.
You have amazing friends. Okay, well, welcome back, guys. Let's do this. We're doing now the magic word challenge. And your magic word, for those who don't know, all of us, including me na rin at this point, because last time sila Ashleen were like, I have to do it. And now, Love said, I also have to do it. So, mukhang permanent na to. The magic word is hindi. You are not allowed to...
Ay,
Oh, sige. sige. The magic word is hindi. From now on, you cannot say the word hindi. Along with me, okay? So, it's gonna be hard. Last time it was grave. That was also hard as well. But I think this word is really hard. So, yeah, that is it. If ever one of us says it, we have to do a dare. But it doesn't mean na guys, hindi na kayo magsasalita. Ang daya naman pag ganon. Ang daya naman.
Sabi lang niyo.
Oh, sige, kasama na ako. Ina-explain ko lang yung rules eh.
Ay, okay.
Ang sabi, bawal lang sabihin, di ba? Yung word.
Yeah, akala ko yung alam.
Yung word, yung bawal
Yeah. So, yan. So now that we're done explaining, let's move on. Okay, 2 weeks in 2026, because it's already January 15, a lot of things have been happening recently. Like, globally, whatever, ang daming big time happenings. But I want to know how yung personal lives for you guys have been. Like, has it been okay for the first 2 weeks? Meron bang something different? Ikaw, Love.
Ako siguro, kasi parang sinama ko siya sa New Year's resolution ko na iwasan yung negative self-talk. Yung kahit as a joke. Kasi mahilig ako magsalita ng mga negative
Yung
as a
dinidepreciate
joke.
mo yung sarili
Yes,
mo.
ganon. And nabasa ko parang it's not good pala for your mental health na ganon. Na mahilig ka magsalita ng negative. Kahit na hindi sa sarili mo. Masama siya. So, yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon.
You're being kinder to yourself.
Yes.
Nice.
More intentional.
Oo.
I wanna be more
that's nice.
intentional.
Okay. How about you, Ashley?
This year, gusto ko maging more financially smart. Kasi nung New Year, as in sakto 12 a.m., na-scam ako. Yung debit card ko, may gumamit ng debit card ko as in 12 a.m. January 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Diba?
din sa'yo.
Sabi ko, hala.
That's so sad.
Okay, so yun na yung resolution ko. Baka sign na yun from the universe na, huy.
Na manalo ka na ng 397 million pesos sa loto. Okay, tama.
Pangbawi dun yun eh. Oo.
Na-scam ka?
Oo.
Ayun yung scammer.
Mabayaran ni Kurt yun sa'yo.
Ikaw yan, no?
Sige, ikaw, Kurt, ano mo? New Year's Genesis mo?
Ako po yung New Year's resolution ko po.
Or ano man nangyari sa'yo for the 2 weeks? Like, has something changed? Nagpo-focus siya doon sa magic word
Wala
eh.
naman. Ano lang ako. Nag-rest and nag-pray kay Lord. I want to have a deeper relationship with the God. And also, gusto ko po ma-guide yung buong year ko ng mga blessings and be an inspiration with others.
Nuts naman.
Makahelp ako, lalo na sa family ko.
Grabe.
I need to lock in. Lock in this
Oo.
year.
Sobrang selfless mo naman. Bigla ganun.
No.
Ikaw, Martin.
Chill lang.
Wala mo nangyari.
Wala masyado eh. Parang same thing pa rin.
Same
Lalo
thing.
na last year. Oo.
Wala ka bang New Year's resolution?
Di ba nakipag-date ka?
Ha?
Nakipag-date ka ba?
Pag-date.
Nakipag-date ka ba?
Ha?
Nakipag-date ka ba?
Ano yun?
Nilalaglag ka, oh.
Pag-date. Ano?
Hindi ba?
Boy. Uy, kailan ka lang.
Joke lang. Ayan naman. Ano naman kung may date ako?
Oh, sinabi na
naman?
ni Love ang magic word.
Kasalanan ni Martin talaga. Pinahamak
Sin-
niya ako.
Sinatrap ko nga si Martin eh.
Kayo doon dalawa eh.
Tapos ikaw naman.
Kaya nga gumaganon ako, ha?
Kaya pala.
Okay, sige. We'll do that there in a bit. We were on the topic of last year, no? I wanted to know how last year fared for you guys, for your professional careers, like opportunities. How was it? How was 2025 for you guys? Sige, ikaw.
Super blessed po. Ang dami ko pong nakilala, ang dami ko pong opportunities na na-open and mga friends na nakilala, na nawala. And I'm really grateful
Grateful
for
ka
meeting them, and also I'm really grateful din sa mga opportunities and experiences na pina-experience sa akin ni Lord nung 2025. 2025 was really a good year for me.
Oh,
And
that's
also,
nice.
yung mga bad na mga nangyari sa akin, it's also a positive thing kasi it wouldn't be a lesson kung walang bad things na nangyayari sa buhay natin.
Wow.
Deep.
Inspirational talaga siya.
Pwede siya mag-TED Talk.
Grabe ka na.
Oh, grabe ka na.
po.
Ikaw, Martin. Wala lang.
Chill lang.
Chill lang. Ano naman? Wala, basta paulit-ulit lang din yung nangyayari kasi sa akin.
Was it good?
Ganun.
Was it a good year for you though?
Ano yan? Sorry?
Was it a good year for you though? Like, was there something
Okay
like
lang.
unforgettable that happened last year?
Siguro yung mutya. Yung tapings nun. Yun lang parang pinaka-unforgettable. Lalo na yung Viva Arcada concert natin.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung NFT. Yun
Oh,
yung
yeah.
pinaka-unforgettable for me.
Okay. Well, that's nice. A lot of things. How about you, Ashley?
For me, 2025 had a rough start. Pero nung latter part na, I did I Love You Since 1892. And then right
Ayun,
now, I'm doing, sorry.
Ayun, no? Ayun, no?
I'm doing Golden Scenery of Tomorrow and Project Loki.
Ayun, no?
So, ayun, nagtotoy din pala ako, pero guesting lang.
Wow.
Pero counted pa rin yun.
Oo nga eh.
Ayun.
Galing.
So, very thankful for everyone that helped me with getting these opportunities and believing in me. And ayun, I'm really thankful na they opened the door for growth, especially like sa career ko. Ayun, so hoping na magtuloy-tuloy.
Okay. Ikaw, Love?
For me, parang chill lang yung 2025 sa akin nun. Wala akong masyadong naging shows, pero nagkaroon din ako nasa GSOT din ako. Tapos, may Project Loki din. So, yung una ng year, mahirap siya. Pero, same kay Ashley, nung patapos na, it got better.
That's nice. Okay. With that, while kasi a lot of things are resuming February pa, no? You guys are still enjoying your breaks.
Yes.
How are you holding up to it? Like, sinusulit nyo na or like kating-kati na kayong mag ano na, para matapos na yun? Oh, magtrabaho.
Oo, gustong-gusto na namin magtrabaho. Gusto ko na ng paycheck, ganyan. Gusto ko na.
Gets. Or like, naghahanda na kayo for it? Or gusto nyo pang tumagal tong break or something? Sige, Love.
For me, parang hindi rin kasi ako
Oh,
nagpapahinga.
diba? Sabi mo
Wala akong sabi ko.
Dalawang dare na yun, no?
Sige, sige.
Hindi, isa
mamaya.
lang yun. Isa lang yun.
Oh, napahin. Tatlo na.
Tatlong doon eh.
Ayoko na mag-share.
Kaya yabang pa niya kanina. Oo, napanood ko yung last week. Hindi ko gagawin.
Ako pala yung dito. Pero parang konti lang yung pahinga ko ngayon. Kasi nag-aaral din ako and graduating ako ngayon.
Okay.
Same kami ni Ashley. So,
Last leg na to? Last sem?
last
or...
term, yeah.
Ako, I'm waiting na lang for the ceremony.
Gets. Okay. So you finished yung first sem. And then,
Yes,
Oh,
na.
congratulations.
Thank you.
congrats po.
Oo.
Thanks.
Okay, so you guys deserve well-deserved breaks. Fantastic. Let's talk. A lot of people have been asking about Project Loki, and little do they know, we'll be talking about that in a bit, right after this song. This song is by Corbin Besson and a member from Twice, si Tui. You know Tui? The youngest one. Yes. Song's called Blake here in today's Best Music Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Yo, today's Best Music Magic 89.9. We were supposed to play something, but you know what? I got caught off guard. By the way, you guys can catch the opening of Baguettes the Musical starting January 23 at the Newport Performing Arts Theater. Tickets are available now via ticketworld.com.ph. This one is brought to you by Newport World Resorts, the Philippine Star, and Viva Communications. Have you guys seen the original Baguettes? The one your parents are always raving about.
Nakakwento lang.
I went along.
Yeah.
So I'm a huge musical fan, so I'm super excited to catch this one. And we are lucky because Viva is giving away two pairs. No. Ang hirap na math. Hindi ako magaling sa math. We're giving away to 5 winners 2 tickets each. Nahuli ako nito.
May nasabi ka.
Magpo-promote lang ako tapos ganito na naman eh. Kaya sabi ko, hindi mo. Anyways, sige mamaya, we'll do it together coming 3. Saan na ako? Okay, Viva is giving away tickets to 5 winners to watch the Baguettes the Musical. So if you guys are interested, all you have to do is answer my question via the Viber line that is 0945-971-4011. And if you win, the first 5 winners get 2 tickets each. So you could, pwede mo samahan yung friends mo, best friend mo, partner mo. Bakit mo ako ginagaya?
Gusto ko po kasi
Anyone.
ganyan.
Maging
Radio station.
Maging radio
parang
station.
ang hirap yun.
DJ.
So anyone. Okay, the number to send your message to is 0945-971-4011, and the question is this: what are the names of the 5 main characters of the Barkada? in Bagets the Musical? What are the names of the 5 main
Bakit ka
characters?
nagsa-cellphone?
Ite-text ko.
Ite-text mo. Hindi, walang cellphone.
What,
Gusto ko manalo.
what are the names of the 5 main characters of the Barkada in Bagets the Musical? Send your answers over on our Viber. That is 0945-971-4011 to get a chance to win 2 tickets to the Bagets the Musical. Okay, we're talking about right now while we're waiting for people who send messages. You guys,
Kasali ba kami dyan sa...
kung gusto nyo, pwede.
Ako kasi kakabisado ko yan ata. Ata lang.
Wow! Huwag mo sabihin dito, baka may gumaya. Okay, let's talk about Project Loki. A lot of people have been raving about this. Over on Twitch, people are saying, oh my gosh, they want to know how it is for you guys. And I just wanted to ask this simple question, which is, are you guys excited for Project Loki?
Of
Naman,
course.
yes.
Super excited.
Sobrang saya.
I really love excited.
Tatalo na sila.
Project Loki.
Okay, how different is Project Loki going to be from like other typical series?
Dito kasi
Sino muna?
si Martin tsaka si Kurt.
Bakit?
Iba talaga pag nandun silang dalawa, di ba? Ibang-iba yun. Talaga, bigatin. Ganon. Nakaka-starstruck.
Hindi pwede yan. Ika-count ko yan.
Sabi, bawal sabihin. Klarong-klarong instructions. Bawal sabihin.
Okay. Okay, sige.
Hindi naman bawal ipakita.
Sige.
pala.
Parang andaya. So very different siya. No? It's gonna be very exciting.
Yes.
And it's coming soon talaga siya. People want to know what to expect from it. Siguro, ini-mini mo, Kurt.
Oh no. Okay, I think I'm just gonna speak English right now because I don't want to say the forbidden word.
Smart choice.
Better word. Wow.
Smart choice.
It's gonna be different because it's directed by Direk Sian
Sian
Lim.
Lim.
Oh, yeah.
A really, really good and nice director of ours. I really love the killing, the mystery, and the bonding of the chemistry of the cast.
That's true.
I love it.
Amazing.
Like being with them, it feels like home. It feels like a comfort. Every
Felt.
time, like I wanna work, like I'm getting paid to hang out with them. That's how I feel. How I feel.
True.
That sounds so much fun. Okay. And for you guys, like sila Jada and Marco have told me, not all have actually done the shoot, diba?
Yeah.
Who among you guys have done the shoot na? Si Ashley. How was it like filming with... ikaw rin? Oh, both kayo. Sige, yan. Para both tayo sumagot. How was it shooting with the other cast as well? Ano yung atmosphere sa set? Somebody's over here very interested.
Yun. So far, naka-work ko na is konti pa lang na guest stars and si Jada, si Dylan, and si Love. And ayun, sa set, masaya magaan yung work and sobrang nakaka-amaze. Kurt! Sobrang nakaka-amaze si Direk Sian kasi very open siyang director. So, kakaiba rin yung Project Loki kasi meron ibang take dun sa mga characters na ginagawa namin. Like, open siya to suggestions and what we think or what he thinks is more suitable for the character. So, mas mabubuhay yung character not just from the book. Meron din siyang personal touch of the actors and also the director. So, ayun. Yun.
Okay.
For me, same experience. Parang it makes so much difference na si Direk Sian Lim yung director namin kasi he's very considerate sa amin. Siguro kasi he's coming from a point of
Dati din siya
artista din
nag-artista,
kasi siya.
nag-act.
So parang niya talaga
Yes.
na kino-consider niya talaga na ma-feel, yung nafe-feel namin during the shoot. Ayoko na. Tapos, masaya kasi, parang close na rin kaming mga stars there. Kaya sobrang nag-enjoy kami.
Just fighting for her life.
Parang ayoko na. Yun na mo.
Okay. Sige. People were just, ikaw, nakapag-ano ka na, Martin?
OBB pa lang kami dalawa ni Kurt. So,
OBB.
Yeah, we've been on the set, but we haven't pa.
yung OBB na yun,
Haven't.
set din siya. Sa taping day din namin.
Yeah. Okay.
Kung ano yung sinabi nila, ganun din.
Ganun din. Okay, oh, that's nice. A lot of people are very interested with it. Let's do this one. Very personalized one. For Kurt, you seem like a very happy-go-lucky character. Like even right now, you're giving bunso vibes that people just like want to be with.
Yeah, no?
People, we want to know how different would your character be in Project Loki, or do you think na this is still you?
It's very opposite. I mean, the other, yung isang side ni Stein, yung isang side ni Stein kasi, nerdy and it's like similar siya sa character ko nung elementary ako na tahimik lang, simple, like wala akong pakialam sa itsura ko. Parang ganun si Stein na nerdy siya pero yun na, hindi ko na yun aanuhin. Let's wait for the character to develop. Pero yun yung similarity ko kay Stein. Pero it's very different sa other roles ko. Since it's very challenging and I can't mention it, pero let's just watch and abangan natin kung paano magde-develop yung character ni Stein.
Wait lang, pwede ko ba isingit? Yung sumagot sa Viber, nanay ko yun.
Hello po. Hello po.
Si Abby.
Yes, hi. Hi, Mommy Abby.
Oo.
Shout out
Hello
sa'yo.
po, tita.
Sana
Hi, tita.
tama yung sagot mo, Manu.
Sana nga tama para manood
Ikaw
na daw
isasama
kayo.
niya. Ikaw ang plus one niya.
Yung gusto
Ah.
okay, for those who answer
naman.
this certain mister, yung names ng characters hindi po yung names ng gaganap po ang nasabi ko na naman, sorry. Dalawa ko, tatlo pa rin yung sayo. Gibilangan na pala. Okay, again for thank you thank you sa mom ni Ashley. Again, what are the names of the 5 main characters? Yung mismong characters dun sa Bagets the Musical. Okay, yon. Okay, very nerdy, very elementary, very
That's Stein.
that's
Innocent.
Pero my previous role po, mga cute, loving guy, handsome na.
Handsome!
Ganon.
Sino yung kamukha niyang Korean star?
Ay, wala.
Kayo naman.
Park Bogum.
Sino naman?
Okay.
Ay, nahiya na tuloy siya. Pinahiya niyo siya kayo tuloy.
Joke lang po.
Okay, Ashley, you have already done a shoot along with Love, and your character is Clea, right? How is tama ba?
Clea is for G-Sod.
G-Sod, yeah. So, yung character mo sa G-Sod, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, and you've worked with Mark and Aubrey, diba? I want to know, like, one, how different is your character, Clea, sa new character mo? And are you excited to be working again with sila Mark and Aubrey?
Yes, of course. Excited ako maka-work sila lahat. Gusto ko sila lahat.
So it's a good vibe.
Pero different si Clea from Rosetta kasi si Clea, she's a woman. Woman na talaga siya. Superstar. Ganun, Clea is a superstar. And si Rosetta, student pa lang siya. So yun yung main difference sa kanila. And very different yung atake for those roles. Kaya minsan ang hirap mag-shift. Papag sunod-sunod yung taping kasi hindi mo na alam kung sino ka. Tapos,
Sige lang, tuloy na natin. Lahat tayo mag-dare.
Oy.
ayun.
Lahat nga tayo mag-dare. So, finally, all of us will be doing it later.
Shocks.
Okay, let's continue.
Sige, may naisip na akong dare. Mamaya pag-usapan natin. Sige, as you were saying, or
Very different. Kasi si Rosetta, very playful, while si Clea, medyo serious. Ganun.
sobrang serious. Okay, quick one-liner lang. If you guys were each to describe Project Loki in one word, what would it be? Let's start with Martin.
Mysterious.
Ooh.
Inagaw naman ito yung sa akin.
Nagaw naman yung
talaga yun.
akin.
Nagaw
naman yung akin.
Sige, Love.
Intense.
Oh.
Exciting.
Wonderful.
Parang chinag-GP pa.
Parang sa inyo yung
It's gonna
masaya
be
lahat.
wonderful.
Okay. Sa kanila, all of them was like, ooh, grabe, may underlines. Wonderful. That is nice. Okay, before we take another quick break, for Martin and Love, this one is gonna be one of your bigger breakthroughs, I just wanted to ask, what are you looking forward to the most for this series?
Ladies first.
Sige.
Pag-isipan ko lang.
Siguro ako, gusto ko talaga makita na kasi kami, in-encourage talaga kami na magbasa ng libro, yung Project Loki. In-encourage talaga kaming lahat na magbasa. Tapos, parang habang nagbabasa kasi ako, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. So, inaabangan ko talaga na makita ko yung book sa, yung napapanood na namin.
Yeah.
Ganon. Parang, bibigyan namin ng buhay yung mga characters namin. Tsaka kasi kami parang isa-isa kaming may introduce yung characters namin. So, doon ako pinaka-excited talaga.
That's nice. Okay. Martin.
Na-excite ako kay Alistair. Yun yung
Character.
role ko
Yeah.
sa Loki. Kasi very different siya from kay Denzel sa Mutya. Si Denzel kasi loko-loko siyang bata eh.
Tapos ikaw hindi ka na ganon.
Hindi na. Sa Loki, siya walking green flag na daw. Sabi
Pero
ng
in
mga
real
kid.
life,
Bakit? Green flag ako. Hindi.
Tsaka ba mas malapit sa character mo sa...
Alistair. Green flag ako.
Pag maraming beses sinabi yung forbidden word,
Yung magic word?
dagdag there yon.
Bakit?
Sige na, okay na.
Dalawa ka na.
Ano dalawa? Saan isa?
Oo, sabi mo.
Ano?
Green flag ako, green flag ako.
Ano yung sinabi ko?
Oo nga.
H-I-N-D-I.
Wow, pwede pala i-spell. Sige. Okay.
Hindi, gaganon na lang din ako. Spelling na lang din ako.
Kasi you're looking forward to that, no?
Nasaan nga ulit ako?
Nandito tayo sa
Green flag ka,
green flag,
green
no?
flag.
Green flag.
Yung sa character mo na And I'm assuming that these characters that you guys have read from the book, you are excited as well to like put your own flavor
Yes.
into them. And we hope na to those who are nag-aabang for it, stay tuned for that. We'll have a quick break right after this. We'll talk about the dares we'll be planning to do in just a bit. And I have the
Yes.
perfect idea. We'll do it on air. You're in today's Best Music, Magic 89.9. Don't go away.
Magic 89.9.
Feel the music up close, personal, and real.
Catch Night Live, where your favorite artists step into the Magic Studio and strip it down with raw, soulful live performances. No filters, no frills, just pure talent. Change your nightlife. Choose Night Live. Every Tuesday, 7 p.m., only on Magic 89.9.
The iconic 80s coming-of-age classic is back, live on stage. Baguettes, the musical. Relive the Barkada, the fashion, and the songs that define a generation. Reimagined, featuring today's hottest Gen Z stars. Brought to you by Newport World Resorts in association with the Philippine Star, Viva Communications Inc., and Peta Plus. Baguettes, the musical, opens January 23, 2026 at the Newport Performing Arts Theater. Tickets on sale now at newportworldresorts.com. Kaya tara, let's Baguettes.
Magic 89.9.
Tara, let's baguettes indeed. This is Magic 89.9, the Magic Hangout. Again, we are giving away tickets to the Baguette the Musical. We're getting 5 winners, and each winner gets 2 tickets each. The question is, what are the names of the 5 main characters of the Barkada? I don't need the names of the actors. I need the names of the main characters, okay? And we were talking about what they were going to do on air. And this one is simple. I think that these guys are great singers. Do you guys love karaoke?
Yes.
Rare.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do this in order. I'll start it off, and then it'll be
Oh.
Kurt, and then Ashley Love, and then Yan, and then we'll do it in unison. Okay?
Okay. I
Okay?
love the unison
Okay.
part.
So if, for those who want to know what we're gonna do, we're going to sing, but this is not just any type of singing. We're doing a famous bit in a show called Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and it's a specific scene in the police scene. They were questioning possible suspects. So, sabi ni Love, di daw niya alam to. But I think you know. So, I'll start it off.
Kasi sinerch ko na eh.
But we're not doing the whole thing. Basta yung just the singing part, okay? Sige, I'll start it off. Tapos tuturo ko naman. You are my fire.
You are
Uy, mali. The one. At yung lyrics.
the one desire.
Believe when I say
I want it that way.
Ano yun?
Tell me.
Tell me why. Tell me why.
Tapos,
Ain't nothing but a heartbreak. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why never wanna love me.
I want it that
Okay, ang galing.
Good.
Ang ganda ng harmonics.
Yes.
Tumatawag na yung boss. Patay ko na daw. No, ang galing. Actually, ang galing mo, Martin. Yes, okay na. Good job, guys. Ang
Thank you
galing
so
mo.
much.
Nawisan ako.
Kumbaga, 4-chair turner kayo. Ganun lang.
Sample pa lang po yun.
Parang
Pero-
patalikod.
Oo,
Yung ginawa
patalikod.
namin ganun, hindi madali yun, guys.
Oo. Somebody nga here was asking sa Twitch, specifically for you, Martin, no? Sabi, hanapin ko nga yun. Release a new single daw. Pasample naman daw.
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
Kaso,
Wala pa eh.
kaso hindi na single si Kuya Martin.
Ha? Hindi ako magsasalita. Ayoko magsabi ng H
Sinabi
word.
niya ulit. Sinabi niya ulit.
Salita.
Well, mamaya, any TikTok trend, we'll try to do it. Okay, you guys have a slated media conference on January
Oh, yes.
27, right? What can
Yeah.
people expect for it?
A lot. Like, you'll
lot.
see this, ano,
Wag mo talaga,
Hindi.
sagot ko.
Panindigan mo yan.
Kami.
Sige,
Abangan
go.
niyo yung release ng poster ng Project Loki.
Yeah,
gonna be
Is it
very
coming on
wonderful.
that day?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and
It's gonna-
in addition to that, ida-drop na rin yung trailer ng
Yes.
Project Loki sa
Official
MediaCon.
trailer.
Yes.
Oh, this is in 12 days. 12 days na lang. Oo, oo, magaling na mag-math.
Ang galing.
Wow.
Sorry. Okay, can people like, mapupuntahan ba kayo or is this like purely online?
I think there's a live stream,
May live
pero
stream
I don't
yun.
know kung paano nila ma-access yung pwede pumunta sa Viva Cafe. But ayun, meron sa live stream for
Yeah.
sure.
Facebook,
On
TikTok.
Viva.
Yes.
Sa Viva 1.
Viva Facebook page and TikTok. I think.
Yes.
Yun.
Yes, correct.
Okay, that sounds great and wonderful for me.
Thank you.
Now is the time kasi we're done now with ano. I know that there's like a lot of things that you can't say for Project Loki other than spoilers, but we just want to keep it like hype for a lot of people, especially your fans and all. But for now, it's time to plug your personal things like upcoming shows other than Project Loki, or if meron na, anything you guys want to plug. Let's start with Martin.
Ayun, syempre, wag natin kakalimutan panoorin ang Amutian Section E, The Dark Side.
Yes.
Part 1.
Yes.
So na yung part 2, wala pa yung part 2. Pero anyway,
Upcoming.
Anyway, and yung Project Loki, sana panoorin nyo rin po. Super ganda nung story. And kung mahilig kayo sa crime-solving theme
Mystery.
na series or
Yeah.
stories, panoorin yun. Sobrang ganda. Parang siyang Riverdale or Sherlock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun. Parang ganun
I
siya.
love Sherlock.
Ganun siya.
This one is yung Benedict Cumberbatch, no?
Yun
Yeah.
yung inspiration
That's
ng
the
writer.
inspiration
Based
of the
talaga dun.
writer.
Okay. O
Yeah.
sige, ano?
Yeah.
Nakasubscribe naman ako kaya gagawin, panoorin ko na. Wow!
Promise ha? Promise. Promise.
Thank you, JJ.
Konting flex.
By the way, Mutian, new episodes every Friday, no? Tama?
Every Friday.
2
Yeah,
episodes.
every Friday.
Okay, so
2
you guys, abangan nyo na. Friday is tomorrow.
Friday is tomorrow.
Friday is
Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow is?
Is
Friday.
tomorrow Friday? Oh,
Friday
diba?
is?
Black.
Tomorrow.
Black Friday.
Black Friday.
Tapos na yun.
Hindi Black Friday bukas.
Ano ba? Tapos na yun.
Okay.
Okay na
Tama
yun.
na.
Tama na.
Tama na.
Sige, love.
For me, abangan nyo ako sa Golden Scenery of Tomorrow with Ashley also. Tsaka marami pang iba na hindi pa natin pwede sabihin. Pero meron. Abangan nyo. Sabihin ko, hayaan mo na yan sila. Sige, abangan nyo ako sa wag na. Pagalitan na. Nandiyan yung ko sa labas, RM ko sa labas.
Nakabang na, sabi niya. Nakatotoo talaga
Kaya
ako.
wag na.
Sige, Ashley.
Ayun po, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, new episode every Saturday. And ayun, Project Loki streaming soon.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you po.
Ano ka? Ikaw si Kuya Chris.
Okay, Kurt.
Happy birthday nga po pala kay Kuya.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ako si Ibarra.
Birthday, Kuya Chris.
Happy birthday, Kuya Chris. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sige, sige. Oo, ang hyper. Sabi niyo kanina di kayo kumakanta tapos very ano pala kayo. So hindi na kinihiya kayo.
Hindi na po.
Nag-harmonics na kayo.
Walang hiya.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and last one. Last one is a message to your fans.
Secret
Secret
po.
mo na.
Marami siya
Oh,
eh.
Kurt,
Marami siyang fans.
you have a lot of wonderful fans.
2 million on TikTok.
Ay, totoo. 1 million on Instagram. Wow!
Yes.
That's
What
not
can I
true.
say?
Grabe.
Ball.
Yan sa
Grabe
TikTok.
ka na.
Hindi po.
Ball.
It's 4.6.
Kurt.
Sorry.
4.6 pala, sorry ah.
Yes.
Ano yung sasabihin ko po?
Promote.
I'll be plugging my ang Mutya na Section E, The Dark Side, and yung part 2 upcoming siya sa June ata. I don't know. Pero
Wala pang announcement.
Wag mo
pero
na unahan
base sa
papagalitan.
media
Wala pa pala announcement. Baka ma-spoil
ng
mo.
ng Mutya,
season
sinabi
part two.
nila sa June
Okay.
daw. Tapos
Pwede pa mabagal.
yung Project Loki coming soon.
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Totoo
Something
na
fun.
to. Huwag na kayong mag-edit. Lalabas na
Yeah.
talaga.
Yo, lalabas
So,
na guys.
PL,
Hold your
PL
horses.
leaders.
It is coming. It is coming.
Soon.
One final message to your fans.
Thank you so much guys for supporting us here watching this. I really love all of you and sana
Iyakin si
masaya kayo dyan sa across the screen, whatever
Kung nasa
device
man
you're
kayo.
watching on. Sana masaya kayo right now. Please pray and eat and
Stay
have fun.
hydrated.
Stay
Stay
hydrated.
hydrated.
Yeah.
Drink
I love you all.
Vita Coco.
Yes. Ashley.
Thank you po sa lahat ng nanood today and thank you po sa lahat na nagsusupport ng Golden Scenery of Tomorrow and nag-aabang sa Project Loki. Maraming salamat po and mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Yun,
you po, Miss
sana
Ashley.
abangan nyo yung...
You're welcome.
Sorry.
Hirapan.
Inisip ko to ng matagal eh. Yun, sana abangan nyo yung Project Loki tsaka yung mga projects pa namin individually. Sana hindi rin kayo magsawang mag-wait kasi
Yes.
tagal nang na,
Yes.
ano nito eh. Sorry na, pero ito na talaga and yun, sana hindi kayo mapagod maghintay sa amin. Yun.
Yun, maraming
Chill lang.
salamat. Share ko lang. Ayun lang. So, ayun, chill lang. Yeah. Joke lang. Yun, maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta sa Amatiana Section E, lalo na nung Season 1. Hanggang ngayon naman sa Season 2. Ayun, thank you for the love. And sa mga players dyan, sige, pinagtitripan mo ako Joke lang. Sa mga players dyan, wag na kayong magalit. Ito na, malapit na yung Loki. Sorry na. Makikita nyo na sila Lorelai, sila Loki, Luthor.
Alistair talaga eh.
Oo.
Naiya pa sabihin.
Sobrang
makikita
green
niyo si
flag
Alice, kaya-
talaga. Pinunan niya yung iba kaysa sarili niya.
Naiya pa siya.
Selfless.
Okay.
Naman,
Humble, selfless, mapagmahal.
Yes.
Amazing, wonderful.
Alam niyo kulang dito? Pagkain na lang kulang dito.
Kaya nga.
Actually,
Pizza no?
pizza.
Sana magic no?
Baka naman eh.
Oh, baka naman.
Ay,
Okay.
shoutout pala sa nanay ko. Sorry. Sana nanalo ka. Doon tayo.
May oras pa siya palitan yung sagot niya ng tama.
Ay,
So sinasabi ko ng mali siya.
Let's go.
Ayun. For love, someone here was getting her attention. Pa-shoutout daw. Her name is Rins. Or
Hi, Rin.
Boy ba to?
Ako nga eh.
Uy.
Ako si Love. Hi, Rins. Hello.
Yan
Ako nga eh.
Giving into ano. Okay, well, before this one ends, we're already over. Again, we're still doing a giveaway to Baguettes. 2 tickets each per winner. All you have to do is just give me the answer, which is what are the names of the 5 main characters of the Barkada. Thank you so much, guys. This has been Magic Hangout. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.
I love you
Mamimiss
po.
mo kayo lahat.
It's gonna be flavor.
Magic 89.9.